Welcome everyone, today we're drawing Pompompurin. Let's begin along the top center page with a circle with a gap along the bottom. So we're going to start on the left side, going all the way around. Now going to the left side, we draw a large oval for the hat. Going out, across the bottom, and then back up on the right. Let's move down and draw two circles for the eyes. I want to fill those in black. Move in between the eyes and draw a small oval for the nose. Now from the center of the nose, we're going to draw the mouth starting with the left side, coming down and up. And then we'll go out to the side and draw the head. We're going to go out and then down towards the arms. Now we're going to draw on the arms, starting back on the left, bump this out, round at the arm, and then pull that back up. Now coming down towards the bottom of the arm, we're just going to curve the body, coming down and in. And they'll add in the feet, down and then up on the inside. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line, and we'll go back up to the top and draw on the ears. Let's start from the side of the hat, bend this down and out, round at the ear, and then pull it back in. Now it's time to art and add a splash of color, and there's a cute cartoon drawing of Pompompurin. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.